Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a different video for you. I've recently been sent a Rug Doctor carpet machine, which to be honest really excites me because I love a clean house. And I thought I would share with you today how I've been using it, how you use it and the benefits that it brings to us. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Laura and I'm mum to two girls, Alice and Holly, and my husband Andy. We moved into our home just over a year ago and we're slowly doing each room bit by bit to make it the room of my dreams. And you know, I like a clean house, but having two young children unfortunately means that they don't go hand in hand. So you know, the carpets need cleaning, and I'm so grateful now to have a Rug Doctor where I can keep on top of it. But what surprised me most about the Rug Doctor was that it's not just for carpets, and this was music to my ears. You can also use it on upholstery, so like your sofas and mattresses or your car interior, which, let's be honest, those children like to mess up our cars as well as our homes. So I thought today I would just show you how I've been using it and also how to use the machine. So our lounge is probably 85% done, but one thing that I'd love to change are the sofas, one that you can see behind me. They came from our old home, and don't get me wrong, they fit, they match, but you know, sofas were probably the one thing that the children do get quite grubby, little fingerprints everywhere, and just would love to see if the Rug Doctor can work its magic and make my sofas look like new again. So I'm going to be having a go with that, and I'm also going to take it upstairs and have a go at doing one of the girls' mattresses to see what a difference it can make with a mattress as well. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll take you along now. I thought I would start off by showing you the different fabric cleaners that we've got. So we've got one for the fabric cleaner there, and then we've got the carpet detergent here. And so depending what you're going to be cleaning, depends which detergent you use. This is the Rug Doctor itself, and one thing that I really liked was that the minute that I took it out of the box, it was already built. I didn't have to put it together. The handle, as you can see, folds down, which makes it even smaller and compact to store away, and then you just lift that up, and then that's the handle there to put it back down. And then, as you can see, here is the on-off switch here, whether you're going to do the carpet or whether you're going to use the tool accessory. And then it's really self-explanatory to use. So here is your water tank, and here is where you put the clean water in it. You've got a nice handle here which makes it really easy just to lift out and take to your sink. Inside there, that tube there is where you put the detergent in. I'll show you that in a bit more detail in a minute. Here's a really handy carry handle for when you need to move it around and carry it up the stairs. And here is the tank handle, which is where all your waste water goes. And this here, where you connect the tool so that you can use the hand accessory, which is here. So this is the tool accessory here, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to attach that now. So to attach the tool accessory, you just pull down this black flap here. So you just pop that in like that, so that the two circles match. You turn it so that the lock is then up high, and that's securely in there. And then the smaller one, do a very similar thing. You put it in there, and then you turn it in so that it's locked into place. And that then gives you the tool accessory, which makes it a lot easier to use on the sofas and the mattress. And you've got a little squeezy thing to make the water and detergent come out. So now I'm just going to get Andy to show you how we are going to clean our sofa. It's a few hours now and the sofa has dried, and I wanted to show you. So here we had a water stain mark and now it has completely gone. So I am absolutely thrilled with that result. I'm now going to take you upstairs and we're going to clean Holly's mattress. So we've now done all of our cleaning and we are absolutely delighted with the results from the Rug Doctor. I can't believe that I didn't realise that you could use it on things like sofas and mattresses. It's made such a difference, especially to our sofa. I'm really pleased. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you again soon. Bye!